yeah, morning, because it's like 11 something. Welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a little vloggy vlog. I'm on my way to Cleveland right now to go bowl with Alexis and Jazz, because I missed Jazz's birthday dinner Wednesday and it was her actual birthday. I couldn't make it, so I'm treating her to a little girls date. And so we're on our way now. Well, they're already in Shaw, so I'm a little bit late. But we're gonna meet up at Abraham's first because they have $60 Chacos. Now, if you know how much Chacos cost, you know that is a steal. So hopefully they haven't sold out yet, because you know, because they put it on Facebook. So if it's on Facebook, you know, people probably already been up there, and they had size from 6 to 10, and I wear 9, and I'm gonna give my grandma a pair, and she gonna need a 10 because they run small. And so yeah. Okay guys, so I've made it to Cleveland. It's 12:01 now, and I'm just in front of like Delta Dairy. Okay, I'm just downtown. I'm waiting on Jazz and Lex. I thought they were gonna be me, but they went a different way. Instead of going through Leland to get to Shaw in Cleveland. But I'm just sitting here waiting on them. Had to turn my car off because I had to turn my car off because I don't have that much gas, and you know, I'm gonna fill up, because if I don't fill up, I'm definitely not gonna be making it back home. But we're gonna go in Abraham's. Hopefully they have these freaking Chacos, because if not, I'm gonna be devastated. Cause Chacos really cost like $180. Like they almost cost they almost cost $200 basically. And so when they get here, hopefully they find me. This shit, there they are right there. When they get here, well, I'm just gonna stay because they like right there. So let me cool thing is that when I turn my car off, I can wait. Okay, there was a fail, so I gotta turn my car back on to let the window up. I need to wipe my teeth because they getting a little dingy, and your girl's mouth has to say to stay clean and pristine. Oh, okay. So this is really the only reason why I parked down here, so we can walk and I can get some, you know, vlog footage, YouTuber props, because you know you gotta have more minutes. Okay, so get out the car, and I only got 20% left on my phone, and I didn't bring my charger because I had 40 when I left home, and I was like, okay, you know, that'll last me some here. So my phone probably more than likely gonna die. But it's okay, because I'll be back home before the day over with. He worked there?
Yeah, that's him. Patrick B. Davis.
Oh. Okay, guys. I'm here with Jazz and Lex. Happy birthday, Jazz. I already talked about you. Lex. Your hair got longer. Okay, ooh, turn around. Ooh, okay. Okay, so y'all, they better have these $60 Chacos.
If they don't, I'm gonna be mad.
I'm gonna be mad too. I
just got paid, so I got some money.
Me too. Cause Chacos almost like $200 for real.
And I do need some new ones before I go off.
But it's beautiful out here today, though.
I think I'm gonna like it in Cleveland. Of course.
You are. It's just gonna be boring at times.
Yeah, it's boring. We walk from up.
We jaywalk. Should we do that? We showed jaywalk. We gonna get hit. And when I was coming right there, I was like, I don't know if I could come in this way.
That's what I said. No, I said, is it a stop sign right there? Am I supposed to stop and keep going? I'm like, oh well. I'm like, hopefully it's 60 and he said green. Where's Carson almost go? I
don't know. I can't never find it when I come down here. It's called Gilbo's though. so that was a flop. We went in Abraham's. Okay.
Don't even get me started on that.
We went in Abraham's and we saw some cute. We saw like 2 pairs that each of us saw a pair that we wanted, and we asked if this the only size that they had on the shelf, and they said
Guess what?
yes.
The only freaking size they had on the shelf.
And they had like 6 and 8s and stuff, but we need 9s and 10s. Like, cause tacos run very small, so you have to go a size up.
Know my feet a little big.
So that was a complete fail for real, but it's okay. And then we went to 8 Squared. I like
really
them.
nice.
Yeah, it was really nice. They ain't had the girl size.
No.
They had
really
smalls
nice,
and mediums.
And they high, but they really nice though.
I know that stuff ain't true.
They had a bag in there that I wanted, but
Yeah.
your girl your girl can't pay $400 for a bag.
It was $400.
It was $390 something. It's Rebecca Minkoff.
Oh, who is Rebecca Minkoff?
Yeah. Okay, so now we finna go to the bowling alley. What y'all want to eat? We said airport groceries, but I don't know.
That's fine.
I haven't been here in a long time.
I've never eaten
In Cleveland?
Yeah, like I come to Cleveland when we ride out.
No, that's one of the main reasons we came. Tell me why we get that ain't got outside.
How many games y'all want to play?
We got like 2.
How many games? You want to play 2 games?
Come out.
Alright. Okay, so we about to bowl. We playing 2 games. So let's see who wins. Here's an update. Who winning? Alexis winning. I mean, yeah, Alexis winning. Jazz second. I'm third. I got off to a pretty bad start, but it's getting there. We got 2 games, so we can see. But I think I'm finna go get like a snack or something, because I want something to snack on. Let's see. Okay, we starting the second game now. Let's see if I, get to start off on a good foot, because last time was horrible. Okay, hold it, Talisa.
Okay, so I'm really going to try to win this time. Cause Jazz won last time.
Yeah, rain it, champ. Yeah. Yeah, it may give me this time. You know what you're doing. I've been doing what I was doing. Yeah, I remember that. My favorite thing on Sister Act is when they were sitting in that classroom and they just started singing, if you wanna be somebody. I like that. You
The first?
I got you.
And they had kids take a long time too.
The ball show was
Cause Kai used to make me throw me. I was like, throw it.
I'm not taking my kids to vote because I'm telling you, they go slow and be like, move. I'm gonna go. I'm telling you. Don't get that on that vlog. They gonna think I'm gonna be a bad parent.
It's so hot out here.
I had to throw it away.
Tear your legs.
I was gonna say, is it open? Sure would. It's kind of like a little southern cracker beer.
Their own version.
Okay, so we made it to airport groceries. I'm excited to see. I'm gonna show y'all the food.
Let's get the wine.
We're bougie.
Like we can actually buy this.
I know I don't look like the age.
Good, they got Moscato. I'm sure we're gonna ask
The bug of the style.
I don't like slime on my burgers. It's nasty.
I look like slime.
So if I get Philly cheese, that's all they come with. Philly cheese steak was
Yeah,
it.
because you got to buy these sides. You I'm finna buy these $2
$2 for a ribeye?
Our burger is 6 ounces of fresh ground beef, hand patted with our special seasoning, cooked to order on
I still
flavor.
want to try this catfish hoagie bun.
Me too.
Oh, damn,
How
nigga.
about you get the
Yeah, I
Philly
can.
cheese steak and I get the catfish hoagie? And
What
we
you
just
gonna add
cut
on?
it. What you mean? Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here because my camera is about to die. But thanks for coming along with me. Be sure to give a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Y'all want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye bye.